Hello, how are you guys? So, my name is Noura, accounting and tax professional and the founder of Noura's Books. Today I'm here for another tax tip, another tax information. Yesterday we spoke about about an educational credits. I told you we have two different type of educational credit for higher education. We spoke yesterday about the American Opportunity Tax Credits. I just want to make a correction. Yesterday I said it's 80K, the threshold. Actually, in fact, for 2021, the threshold is $90,000 for single and double that for married filing jointly. And now today we are going to talk about lifetime learning credits, known as LLC. Don't confuse it between the LLC, limited liability company. We're talking here, LLC is the lifetime learning credit. That's the other type of educational credit you may be qualified for. Because like I mentioned, for the American Opportunity Tax Credit, that one is only limited for 4 times for per student. But you can apply, if you're claiming your kids, you can have it as many child as as many people as possible, not as possible as you have. Like if you have 2 kids and if you have 3 kids, you will have these. You can claim the American Opportunity Tax Credit in the same year, as long as you did not, claim them for more than 3 years. You can claim them the fourth year. So 4 times per student. It can be as many as students in your return, as long as you're eligible. So lifetime learning credits, this is a little bit less money. It's up to the maximum you can get is $2,000, and you can only claim it for one person in your return. It can be for yourself, your spouse, or your qualified dependent for eligible educational expense. The student must have received the 1098T, similar to American Opportunity Tax Credit. You should have that from your institution. But here, the difference here, you do not have to pursue a degree. So if you are not pursuing a degree, you're just taking a skills in the eligible institution to just increase your skill, or just to and you receive the 1098T, you can claim it. So you don't have to pursue a degree to be eligible for this credit. So this is one thing, and you must, as I said, you must be enrolled in the eligible institution. You're also, I mentioned everything. I thought I still have more points to tell you about. Okay, just another thing you want to know about is you cannot get double. You either can take the lifetime learning credits or the American Opportunity Tax Credit in the same return. So you cannot do both for the same person. That's something you should know. And like I said, the threshold for the American Opportunity Tax Credit is 90K, but the threshold for the lifetime learning credit is $69,000 for single, and double that, so which is 138 for married filing jointly. This is one of the credits that you would lose if you are married filing separately. You lose a lot of opportunity, a lot of credit, a lot of benefit if you are filing separately from your spouse. So this is one of them, education credit for higher education, whether it is LLC, the lifetime learning credit, or the American Opportunity Tax Credit. Both of them, you are not going to be eligible for these two if you are filing separately. Just keep that in mind, and if you have any question, please feel free to reach out. Make sure you claim all your credit, all the credits that you are eligible to for, you're entitled for. I cannot talk today. I don't know what happened. That's okay. So let us help you to file your taxes so we can maximize your return and get you the maximum you're eligible for. If you are curious on how are we doing so far with our clients, you can go ahead and take a look on our Google page, Google business page. We have a lot of reviews from the clients. Well, not a lot, you know. We just started it last year, so it's not going to be like a lot, but we are trying to collect as many reviews as possible for you to have an idea before you work with us. And if you decided to work with us, you can go ahead and onboard yourself directly in the link in the bio. The link in the bio will have like many links. One of them would be the onboarding link. You can onboard yourself, and we'll be in touch with you to send you all the steps on what you have to do for us to complete your taxes. You can also set an appointment if you are not sure yet. Set an appointment and we can talk and see if we are a good fit, and we'll go from there. Also, like, this is not limited for your personal taxes. This is for everything, personal, business, and nonprofit tax filing. Again, we are still accepting bookkeeping cleanup, because you cannot do your taxes if you do not do a proper bookkeeping. You will lose so much. This will affect your cash flow. So make sure you have a proper bookkeeping, and having a bank account is not a bookkeeping, and just having your bank feed into a QuickBook or any other software, that is not bookkeeping. Believe me, I saw a lot of mess around a lot of my clients' books, like who did never use bookkeeping before. They lost so much. Most often they have to do amendment for their tax return before they became a client, because they lost so much money. And when they see the saving we could have for them when we do a proper bookkeeping, and we go through and make sure they benefit from all the credit and deduction we can get them, they go ahead and do amendment for their taxes in prior years, because this is affecting your cash flow. Whether if it's your business, this is going to affect your cash flow. You can do a lot of things. You can expand your business. You can do so many things if you can save in taxes. You can grow your business. You can get more income, and we can help you do that. Feel free to reach out. We are not going to be, like, bookkeeping cleanup is going to be limited. Like, we're not going to accept more than our capacity. We still have capacity to get more people to clean up, but if we reach our capacity and you decided to become a bookkeeping cleanup client, we won't be able to help you then. So make sure you save your spot and become a client today, and we're happy to help you. Talk to you soon. Bye. Ending this live. How do we end it? Here we go.